Since wey dem born me till date, I have never seen people that loves suffering and smiling like our people in the northern part of Nigeria. Make una follow me watch this video, make una see how the northerners are fighting over a plate of food. And these are people that have been ruling this country for over 40 something years. Oh. Make una follow me watch the video first.
Wannan wani bafulatani ne yake cin dan wake a guru. Kaga dandazon almajirai. Kaga dai almajirai da yanda suke kokarin kaga.
Shy. And this one's not to know that we tell that Igbo faithful will never rule Nigeria. Igbo faithful will never rule Nigeria. Some of them will say Peter Obi cannot rule us. And look at how they are suffering and smiling. Just a plate of food. And these are the people that have been ruling this country for over 40 something years now. Out of the 60 something years of the country, they have been ruling this country for over 40 something years. And they are still as poor as this. You see the kind of grace Igbo people have. The more you fight them, that grace will keep on disgracing you. Almost all the people that are trying to pull the Igbos down in this country, how many of them can be able to match up with the Igbos in every areas of life? All of them are suffering. It's going to take them so many years of hard labor for them to match up with the Igbos. But you guys are fighting the people fighting someone that is meant to liberate you. Just because he's an Igbo man. See him now. See him. They play, they show. Can you show me any video where you have seen Igbo people like this fighting over a plate of food? None. You can never. But these are the ones that will tell you that Igbo faithful cannot rule Nigeria. Igbo faithful cannot. Oh yeah, your brother we don't rule the country now. How far? Sure.